Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're picking the winners for the giveaway, and I'm also teaching you bind. It's kind of like a regen sort of bind, because you can just pop into your next trick. But I use it a lot and I'm actually liking it a lot now. But before we do that, we have to do the giveaway. Okay, so I put the names in a random name picker, and we got all of the names right here. We got Gavin Hubner, Yoyo Boy, Anthony Throws, Henry H, Sparkle Vlogs, Loke N, and Nolan Langland. We are going to pick a random name on 3 people. So 1, Anthony Throws. Make sure you DM me on Instagram. Anthony Throws, you got 1. Good job, good job. Henry H. And Loke N. Cool. Those are the winners of the giveaway. Make sure you give my Instagram a quick chat so you can give me your address so I can mail these shirts to you. But let's go to the tutorial. Now for the trick. You're going to want to do this kind of reverse trapeze sort of mount. So you take it and just undercut the string, and you're in a reverse trapeze, so if you like twitch it too much, it'll bind in you. But you have to just kind of bounce it into the string, and then cross your hands. That's a pretty basic motion. You should be able to get it down quite fast. And when you get that down, you have to kind of like toss the yo-yo to your left if you're a right-handed person. So you cross it, and you have to do this in a fast motion. It's kind of a weird sort of undermount. You kind of have to toss it and pinch. You're going to get into your undermount. You're going to pinch right here with the looped hand. And you pinch and toss it left. And it'll come back to your hand. Pinch, toss, there you go. And from here you have to do something sort of weird by keeping your hands crossed like this. So then you can just throw your basic front style throw. And then you're going to keep your fingers in the fist at this point. And you're going to throw it down, and it's going to go way back like that. You want to take your finger and put it on the string and basically just uncross your hands. And if you want to add more flourish to it, you can do the glide motion, which looks like that, and then you can just do like a regular bind or whatever, or even just regen it for another trick. Yeah, so you go like that and catch it right here. So you're kind of in like a T sort of shape, cross, plus sign, I don't know. And then you're going to throw it down, stick your finger out so it catches the underside of the string. And if you want more accuracy, you can pinch your yo-yo in hand string. So then you can just go slide like that, and then bind it, or regen it, whatever you guys prefer. Thank you all for tuning into the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.